Hi viewers, welcome to Rasavinsuvai. Today I am going to make a tangy and spicy pickle. It is called Puli Inji, but today I am going to make it with orange peel. So normally Puli Inji is made with the old tamarind, and the pulp is made, and you need green chilli. Around 10 green chilli I have taken, 1 tablespoon of chopped ginger, and 1 teaspoon of ginger. That means 1 tablespoon plus 1 teaspoon. Then this 3 lime size tamarind I have taken for making the pulp. If you don't have the old tamarind, you can use the new tamarind. There is no harm, but the color will be different. Now 1 teaspoon of Chana Dal, 1 teaspoon of Urid Dal, and 1/4 teaspoon Methi, 1 teaspoon mustard seeds, 2 sprigs of curry leaves, salt as required, 1 tablespoon of Jaggery, orange peel 1.5 cup finely chopped, turmeric powder. Orange peel you have to clean like this, then chop. I have taken sesame oil. You can use any oil which you are using at home. I normally prepare this in sesame oil. Now 1/4 cup I have taken. We'll put the mustard seeds. Started spluttering. Now we'll add the Chana Dal, Urid Dal, Methi seeds in it. Half teaspoon asafoetida, Hing powder, when the dal changes the color, we can add the green chilli, ginger, curry leaves in it. Spice level according to your requirement you can reduce or increase. Actually this should be little spicy. This can be served with dal rice, curd rice. Normally it is served in sadhya. Add the curry leaves. We'll add the orange peel chopped finely and saute this for a few minutes, around 5 minutes. Saute this so it will become slightly soft. Then we can add the tamarind pulp in it and cook it. After 5 minutes, I am adding the tamarind pulp in it. One teaspoon of turmeric powder, salt, now we will cook this till the orange peel are very soft. We'll keep the flame high to bring it to a boil. Then we will reduce the flame. I'm adding the jaggery also so that all the flavors will induce in it. This has come to a rolling boil. Now we'll reduce the flame and cook it. It will take some time, and we have to reduce the consistency to a very thicker consistency. So we'll reduce the flame now to medium and cook it. You can cover and cook it. We will check this now. The orange peel is cooked nicely. Now I want this to get reduced. It's very spicy, and salt and jaggery is required more. So I'm going to add one more teaspoon of salt, and jaggery 1 tablespoon. So totally we have added 2 tablespoons of jaggery and 2 teaspoons of salt in this. If you want, you can reduce the quantity of orange peel to 1 cup. I love this, so I added it. Some more jaggery in it. If you are making this, you use only 1 cup of orange peel. Actually, I have taken 4 orange peel. Here you can reduce to 2 to 3. It took half an hour to prepare this after adding the tamarind pulp. Now this is the required consistency. Now we will switch off the gas. Allow to cool. Orange peel Puli Inji, that is the orange peel in tamarind sauce, is ready here to serve. Thank you so much for watching the video. Subscribe to the channel, like, share and comment. Eat healthy, stay healthy. See you soon with another interesting recipe. Till then, bye bye. Take care of yourself.